What is the CardioMEMS heart failure system and how can it help you? The CardioMEMS sensor is a device that monitors your pulmonary artery pressure. This is the pressure of your blood leaving the heart, going to the lungs to get oxygen. Pressures go up when you have too much fluid in your system, and it's harder for your heart to pump blood. Information from the CardioMEMS sensor can alert your doctor if your heart failure is getting worse, often well before you even feel different or develop symptoms typical of heart failure. By detecting problems sooner, your doctor can recommend lifestyle, diet, and medication changes. This can help maintain your optimal health and reduces the chances of you being hospitalized, allowing you to live your life to the fullest.